ये तो वीडियो ही बना देती है।
रिया का Good morning, everyone. So it's right now it's 1:30 and we are going to wake up at 2 a.m. I just I just woke up because my alarm rang. मैंने 1:30 का अलार्म लगाया था, पता नहीं मैं इतनी बेवकूफ़ क्यों हूँ. I am like literally idiot. So अभी 1:30 हो रहे हैं and we will wake up at 2 now because it's really cold today. So we are going to wake up at 2 and gonna study then only. तब तक मैं पढ़ाई नहीं करूँगी.
Okay, so before moving further into the video, let me just solve your many of the questions that is asked by many of you, not just one, two, three. There are many comments, there are many mails, and everyone is asking about me and my study table. So let me just tell you, this study table मैंने ऑनलाइन नहीं खरीदी है. मैं इसका आपको कैटलॉग प्रोवाइड कर दूंगी. सो वेन एवर यू वॉन्ट टू बाय, आप इसको ऑनलाइन नहीं खरीद तो बेहतर है, क्योंकि जब मैंने ऑनलाइन रिव्यूज़ देखे ना, सो ऑनलाइन रिव्यूज़ वर नॉट दैट गुड. दे ऑल वर सेइंग कि द क्वालिटी इज़ नॉट वेरी बेटर, टूट जा रही है स्टडी टेबल. दैट्स वाई मैंने इस डिज़ाइन से घर में ही बनवाई थी ये स्टडी टेबल. सो यू कैन ऑल्सो डू दैट. आई विल प्रोवाइड यू द लिंक ऑफ द कैटलॉग. इफ यू वॉन्ट टू बाई इट ऑनलाइन, आई विल ऑल्सो प्रोवाइड यू द लिंक ऑफ online study table. So if you want, you can buy this. Next mostly asked question is, are you from Dehradun? So no, I am not from Dehradun, but I am from Uttarakhand, but I am not from Dehradun. Syllabus कहाँ तक हो गया है? Syllabus कहाँ तक हो गया है? How much syllabus you have completed till now? So syllabus मेरा हो ही गया है यार. Like there are two chapters in history that are left, and English grammar and Hindi grammar is pending. So I am focusing on English grammar and Hindi grammar now. So yes. ओके, सो द मोस्टली आस्क्ड क्वेश्चन नाउअडेज इज़ कि हम कौन सी बुक्स यूज़ करें, बिकॉज बोर्ड्स आर नियर. सो हमें कौन सी बुक्स यूज़ करनी चाहिए. सो आई विल हाईली रिकमेंड यू this book, that is Super 10 CBSE Class 10th Maths, Science, Social Science with free English book. Yes, you heard it right, that is free English book. So what is this book is, so you will get 4 subjects at the price of just 3. This is unbelievable, right? Each book contains 10 sample paper as per latest update of CBSE in September 2022 at 10 different blueprints. All the books contain toppers answer sheet of 2020 and 2021. Every book contains 2021 and 22 term 1 and term 2 solved papers. Detailed explanation to all the questions with marking scheme has been provided in this book. Don't miss the offer of getting free English sample paper book in this combo. I will provide you the link in the description. Make sure to buy these books. That is really amazing book. Believe me or not, but जहाँ तक मैंने इन books को देखा है, these are really amazing book.
So I sort of thought to start with political science and complete whole political science, as I have completed it already. So I thought it will be just kind of revision, because without revision I forget everything that I have read, and I just have to rewatch one short lecture of each and every chapter. So I was just revising that all the chapters, but still one chapter I didn't do, that is outcomes of democracy. But I completed my whole political science in just, you will not believe me, 5 hours it took me. Then I started with science, which is physics, and it was my last chapter which I have not studied, that was magnetic effects of electric current, in which I saw 10 lectures from magnet brains, and except of the reduced syllabus, there was still 5 lectures left, and I thought that I will watch it the next day, but it was like the journey in which मैंने नहीं देखा. So when is your pre-boards? Do let me know in the comment section, because my school has not out the date of the pre-board, but I'm still working very hard for it. Literally, I am having tiny bumps on my face. which look disgusting, but I don't care. But when I sleep, they actually hurt me. So I'm using these vitamin C capsules since a week, and it has no side effects as it is vitamin C. So why could it have any side effects? But as I don't take it internally, I just apply it externally, so it doesn't have any side effects as it is an oil, you can say. I put it in my moisturizer, any moisturizer you can take. It's a lot. So actually what happens is I don't record each and every clip as my phone starts hanging, and I record it from my phone, that is Realme C20. It's do not have so much RAM, so it just like hang. So I don't record each and every clip. So you don't think that.
Coordinate geometry chapter, I just solved 4 exercises because the other syllabus is reduced. Like, let me just show you. I completed till only 6.4 and all the examples till 6.4. Like, there are many examples. So I solved the examples and until 6.4 because the ahead exercises are reduced in CBSE syllabus, so I didn't solve them. So now let's get into, now we are in chapter triangles and circles, and I'm gonna do these 2 chapters not from RD Sharma but from NCERT because it is just theorem based, and I'm gonna solve it from NCERT and other books like question banks, etc. So right now I am completed with my maths and I'm just gonna put it, and I'm starting with political science. So let's get started with political science now.
और बहुत सारा प्यार चाहिए